Hello. Yeah, Madi Kante Kundanko. Besa Malabaki, Nimbare. Assalamu alaikum, UDP Media. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. Dadin Gambia Nolu, Usolu, and Kyolu. The Menkela Dora Walamuko, Ning Oboil and in track the Manyeta, Nana Murna Koning. But Yaningo, Nali Contondron, Kalisama, Kaltendu Kalia in Sweetumbala, Corindungal Nima Ulta Kairala, Dimbayal Dum Kotonte Melabel. Wherever you are, Bali Kontona, Bali Salamula, Baflali, welcome to our program. Alfonso program. UDP Media, the mobile Kontona, Lamoy Lalu, Iber Lalu, and Minan Lamoela. My follow Mutan and Sexering Bambakata, Hadimra Sexering Comson for UDP. Water Melabel and Canadian Menawolam Proticodi. Sombe Aldan la fitamen na prunga soto ota lalbulo la siabuton ninkan ale programo isia mo jamaaya futambe men fola fana be men bola nyoto na politiko na patio balundo no United Democratic Party asifuta Gambia dream ko ina fokaton kuma kamon oto kuma kamon fenet me yalon ko di ma janjanta akamol na fa wala nyam ota lalbulo la siabuton kam my brother amon ko la siari program Balten to Lambali Jaila, Albe Daudaranding, Bafalali Al Nimbara, good morning to you all. And then, Dimalen Kemo Suno, Ateko, good afternoon, my brother. Kemo, Butungo Malon, for Atolbe Ularol Konoba. Bafale, good afternoon to you. Asan Suare, thank you so much. Moro Kamara Kundanko, Be Kontona. Then we have. Hassan Alabaraka, Madi Kante, thank you so very much. Madi Kinte, sorry. Balten Tulambal Bejaila, hello from Modu Silla, good morning to you. Balbe Kontona Kalisama. My brothers and sisters, Brother Kemo. Thank you, Brother Kemo. Ningo kan bele dentala. Bedawran drum ben na kurusingol mutangi fara ngante all city bel tola cause December 4 tabayla nadia talamansoy so jandingo be do kolam ne do ku kendo ke nojel odo mbesi wakil na do ko nyinke anyanta kala nyame bal samala bal konton na ka konton dro futandi UDP TV Media ben be siring bantabato men yalon ko wolel fananka atinna nin ko yimbe kano be betentulam be jayla nin kolik solo men yalon ko lekadi amu jang pro sana jaaju nyolu jaray nyolu and then be mobe tentula kal be jayi hadi demba nyolu be kontonna ka fo be good morning and then UDP Kibaro Network Chef Sedi Nyolo Sek Serigne Bamba Mas Nyolo be mobe kontonna bayo sonko nyolu magnine la na ko dundo be 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 nadron kan alpha ba konton binda programme fa nga dati welcome bari janning be futaloto fonning o boyla ning track di magni murna molu ko fondum wala mu tonyati bam e ko o boyla nin track go nyimme abunda ko ni la mansa man do ko ke a jindi ni la gofono wan do ko ka jindi ni la dibito man do ko ka jindi godol ko e ko o boy abe gara walle lol bari nim koy ne jahalo warta sila badi mon akoy ni jahalo warta e ko ni la man man do ko ka jindi woto fo adama baro amantara do ku ke kan woto al sottal ko sila amantara do ku ke kan e ni man man do ku ke a jindi so aliyo kal tati baro la mol ha do ko la bala bulu ila gofono man do ko ka jindi ila dibito man do ko ka jindi aliyo kal talti fodi woto ni ajeng ni tra ko india tanye because kacha jamal ba kon ku jamal ba kon me yalon kon sa 5 am moli amon ke dron ko men tra ko ni de pile la dron moli la mal bari minale fanan nga dula lukoti nge landi tabilo lukan muna atinda fanan man samen be nyata yenta jila anin dibitol men yalon ko nyelom e mando kuke e nyanta gila ol fanan be yele sefol men yalon ko ol fanan nyanta gila lol fanan be yele ha kiamanol men yalon ko ol fanan nyanta gila ol fanan be yele so mo jamala nyanta gila so ningo jiwato yin sita a woni den kilo bente kana ketata ha par exemple fenke birkawa area council sirfo sonko mbale nyininka anyanta gila la fama nyanta gila anyanta gila la nteko anyanta gila lo that's my opinion adam baro anyanta gila la bam fama nyanna gila nteko anyanta gila le nko fatma da jawara anyanta gila la bam fama nyanna gila anyanta gila le you see so ani moja men yalon ko wolu nyanta gila le so o boya baraka baake may you live long alaman ni sima ya bala ha let me just go back to oh boy nindino kam fagile yalla ndindingolu molle men yalon ko hakilo warta baak estia buntan janne latet o fana yaketat ha yo konyele fanne malle fango yala olbo mo nyim fango lonji ha so nindo nyinkane moy ka ko oh boy UDP kolam kawa ko la munindi ila man samando ko ke ajindi aliyo ke UDP kote do kol walbul let's go with oh boy ala la kudu singol faraliye sidi alial singol lo bamba ko ning libe don na la foye halaj ha police olu fanan nyanta jilal SAS olu fanan nyanta jilal abaraka dindi abaraka inshallah rabbi brother kemo suno inshallah December 4th by balon nadia tantala thank you so very much for that and then Ibrahim Fadera hi to you too Yenaba Toure yafa nyame wala mu toñabi police wol fanan be jilale thank you so very much Musa Kamara ala baraka ha Aisa good morning to you ajindi de aigi ha aigi o aigi ajindi ajindi ala baraka ajindi bolon sise abaraka bolon ngale sima diata de lafta yedo mandin kenyi ajindi aha Agindi, 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 agindi. My brothers and sisters, ala baraka, siari program, alkana nyina, siari program. Ning, membe ye wala mukodrong. Menin trako plela, mina muranam. Point fulal be bulla fakata ala mena membe den na parti leader la. Right honorable Ousainou Darboe. Ka fay ku ka congratulate. Anina point fulan jam men wala muning agindi nyin. Jumañol le ñanta gila ha jumañol le ñanta gila so ta gindi abaraka jena ba ha nako ala baraka Aida Touré, good morning to you all. Yusfa jamme wherever you are. Mali samala Denis Dulumba Somandala Aisha 360 ha agindi ha wala muto ñati de ala baraka Aida Touré ala baraka, thank you so very much. IG agindi de Okay, my brothers and sisters, thank you so very much. Thanks for watching. And then it's your Allah big brother lem brother Sering Keita Sering Komusol ko UDP. Wala ning agindi nata bi. If you guys can remember 2016, there is this also song called Agindi for Yaya Jammeh. Ngamra hakilo bakan IG or IG. So now we are in 2021. Agindi fanan nata kotenge. So you see, akira ko tron ko kuolel ke fan sein kannan oto IG ni lamban samando ko ke IG wo IG ha ni la police wol mando ko ke yeji ha gofmono man do ko ke IG dipitol mando ko ke IG kiamanol mando ko ke yeji ha ani kordatio na man kordati yañin kanyama agindi ala baraka bake, good morning to you all. And then memem falale dronko mansatalla meyenin no kamurundina batentu lamba jayla mbadatla ni bismillahir rahmanir rahim la memem satalla dan na sa kum fanyane alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Bena fem fer dim fola jam manso sin tanka sin sutura kanang jarabi na fokumul kan akana jarabi na kumakangol kan fanan almamin. Memem kila doro wala mu ka kontondro anin kan party leader memmo the right honorable Ousainou Darboe ka congratulate for UDP Nkolu seleko men kala again to become the flag bearer omu fenet me yalon ko alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. We knows abekeno la tendron because inshallah rabbi gambiano liya sutele Gambianul fana yalon ne ko Ousainou num kunda da wa relé di safit an Gambianul yalon ne ko ndekelam famole fanjawoti Gambianul dum fana payta munela wala mu ka banko doku ni nata jibe United Democratic Party definitely wato do la ninga mira molbe katakol menna nyaka fa jelale e bebe ki kam mun kam ma pour ila banko même Gambia bankoti ila banko iba ke kan wala kuwala so e man selfish mol sa no la fam mol ya findi nan konal mumela beto ka be dundi nyoto ha isa ke place ngi non linki du kara bari man selfish so e bawa tambindi me alon ko atri nyanda tambila inshallah rabbi December 4th ba tambindi lolo nyama fanan ka dundi state house ko no Gambian wol yolo Nadia Mansoy. But my brothers and sisters, Mbafula party leader, congratulations. Mbafula congratulations. Mbedwala si mabala ninjata kenda ning harige fringon laban kunyima. And then katanda la fananko, we are solely behind him. Mba komale suto nintilo, mbelori nga fele suto nintilo. Nalonko ateri jamal lel botabala a kideta dol ya kiden ni barata kidela kotanke dunga nanata kidela kotanke go gambianul fana yadi safle gambianul fana yadi saitle e ko usenu dabo ta kidela a terol bota bala nyaw yarandi meni fata meni yemanta meni yalonko a teleni yenin keloke pour kaji ko gambia bondi marolo ko nem maral kurungolti jamal fata wato do la nim ngan sita ngammira kebala ko wala ndesan nka fola ala masatallah ahmadi ngo da kokur nin kam ma foyke ala le loya usenu dabo tunkan ala le usenu dabo tunkan a tunkan kule kamma that mission has to be fulfilled falmalla wala my brothers and sisters because imagine batame yalon ko damma fango kake let's say ko this year it a contestal in a presidential election and then your ila party is next to the biggest party you understand me yalon ko a politiko nyin duta baki nyabe be lori telekan nyabe be lori ngatul party fulo lekan ida UDP ida APRC ida ya jambe na la jongula UDP so it's like this so atoli fengu ferendinke yankuba naka ndaga ni volo mo ka sorry alala ka boy ninye that's my son atle mobile volume in ka ben distract kan so beminto la fam okay so ni emira ninkewa loya usenu dawo ay bata men taki you understand from the humiliations me alonko ya seta kamma you know jawyal men ye seta kamma and then ala nafulo men a bondi ala fanko me yalonko ha bedundi politiko kono sangi kilem fula saba for 22 good years my brothers and sisters you know politiko eta ay fenta yandi you know ila friend solo ye sike koto ila pati dingol fonni cewul ye sike koto ila pati dingol minay ba fale yen dingo bay do ko lal because of kon dingo nyimbe UDP le e man do ko din dingo la because kabe UDP le you know just let's imagine alinga miran na ba my brothers and sisters yamanante ani mokoteng yabaran tol sinin duno tano ban tol sinin munya no bang yamnan tol sinin munya no bang wala nan kale ko alaman satalla loya usenu dabo a tunkan ni nakam meet him bile ma be strong nga bambandi katambi ani kunum fawola bile ma bambanda katambi kununna my brothers and sisters bile ma bambanda katambi kununna yeta prison ye kumol so ye ni la mol ares al findita yalo nyonoma men yalo nge killingo tata fulanjango tata sabanjango tata e bebe jolon kan go so muneketa ye batal men soto because at the end of the day more people doesn't understand this the point I'm trying to make here people doesn't understand this me points me make kanjam my brothers and sisters left aliala moyani hakilo la baki because it could happen to anybody and then if you are in that situation maybe you will know the point I'm trying to make here is keba jamalu many along na UDP alifa lem beri lamin dam di banyol lembang you understand kata solo kurma nyolu many along ko during after from the prison ya start kafa anin na keba jamal men yalon ko idun ta politiko ko no fo jang aliyala na bang. There is this thing ku jamal be jeme yalon ko mol bukan hakilotu ye bar ku jamal be jeme men kebal nyum fanam fakan wala mundi ni toro anima faliye. But this is what is really going on. Kebal men yalon ko yela ko be bula je ko Gambia banko e bondi ya foima ye kuriya kulije ibe kelekan ye la dingol bali ye lonyol bali ani ite fango ye tol tofo drong e ka folo ko ni be kukilinne wato mu mela bele kamoyle e kare dingo ko ya baydo kolal because I'm relative to him or her. Kare barindi wo ya baydo kolale because aninte dingole mu frienti. Karla muso ya baydo kolale because aninte la muso kata marsen sila kilingo nyinkang. UDP has gone a lot and a lot. Ali manintala por favor. UDP tata kuja male kono. Ni toro natan na kebaluta. Ni toro. Ni toro. My brothers and sisters. Alkana ngina ni toro. And then nina rajibe. O ni toro nying. Mol mahalong. Jamaa sa fanya bar ni toro kamo fanya dile. Ni toro is not an disease. Bare o ni toro nying wala ka yelema wala ka kefem koti cancer ti wala ka cancer develop mol man jele fanang understand. Na keba jamal beje they will die of cancer mol ba amira ko tronko maybe because they smoke wala ku ko tanam. Too much of stress. Stress o jama ka cancer di mola. People don't know it. Ani ni toro. Bari na keba lu ibuka haje nyato fanko stress tale la munda mundi bakatu jelala la dorong. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Anaba la saya la ram kan abe jele kan abe moli ya marikan. Ko sabu kalafi moli ya suti abalako ani toro la beje. But yes, I have gone through this. Nga kwenye kiskis la ngaji bele what is really going on. Bari na keba abe bannan koto. Because of mo kalantangol men yalonko banko ding jawol lelmu. So Gambians, are we ready to take our country back in December 4th? So ningo bota yedrom ka fa party leader congratulations kadwa isi mayabala ni jate kende ka fa ko we are 100% behind him. Mbedo ko kelale ninko mbedo ko kelale doesn't mean ko mvana mbina la ngadu government ninko no. Each and every Gambian has a role to play in the development of that country. Every Gambian has a role to play, my brothers. Alkana ngina. It's not only the incumbent or it's not only the president member siring wala ka banko yindoku. It's just unfortunately we have the useless president. Na useless president soto nyato na clueless president soto nyare member komen Adama Barrow. Me yalonko he doesn't even respect ala banku dingol meni ba ma ko kan. If you all can remember, bring President Adama Barrow yala Barrow Youth Movement for National Development Brayalo, which is a non-government organization which has nothing to do with parties and politics. Because abole nyam niamo is a non-government organization, is a charitable organization which has no affiliation to any parties and politics. But it is Gambia. The politicians can do what they want to do, or the president can do what he wants to do. Oh, Gambians. Nina mukafo kafo me yalonko yatolantella Barrow Youth Movement. This is our president speaking. Yenin kafo tolantella. Name by me, Barrow Youth Movement. Gambia din kendol lel beje nin kafu kotemolu the worst thing and ko me yen dimi fani bi adimo bu ka bombala wala barolo statement konin organisation ol men bebe jam e bem organisation furngol lelti this is ninem baro famla exactly what almur koma I don't have the record here, but I will provide it for you because I was having it then. Ako obema baraka. Jumanyo le barakata. Ko baro youth movement because tuwa wudu tala lel beje. Otumo fabu sana nyoli ya brainwash. You understand? Suntuture nyoli ya brainwash. You understand? Anim meni alon ko yo baro youth movement nyidlo. Ya baro brainwash. Kafayko, we will bring mbe businessman o lel natila nang mbe krib karabo lel kala nang wotumo Abubakar Jawara yol duntana di drug dealers anin kidi wafilalu ako tubabudu tala le beni na tubabudu kaito lelmu but he is the atel from president tinga memmo e kafo Gambia dingo leko ali say pente tubabudu there is no place like home President Barolo bo foka ruma ko do muta tubabudu hello ako Gambia dingolu the organisation membe Gambia banko ke bem organisation furu ngol lelde baro youth movement dam mala barakata unfortunately o organisation men yalon ko I can count them me ala siata kemol tile before in the organization they were political platforms WhatsApp group they were political groups fighting kodo to kodo with the dictator. Baro got the opportunity. Baro opportunity means afama along bata beta fight to the dustbin. Yes, that's the fact. Because you can bulo me yalonko nya atondi fan doko membe nyate la wala nyafang bukoje. That's it. So President Adama Barrow menke ndebitale fonga fa antanyina lala because I record the break. Because thinking that Gambians are fools, thinking that Gambians are stupid, thinking that Gambian will can inate for you can promise them what you want and they will believe in your promises. Ebelale la promise lale because you can go president of Mansabu ka faniafu. Oto Mansado oldum faniana fol belare kunto. Ye fania kurtolo dum, ye fania dendi kolu ya samotol dum. Analara ngokela wala kan. So if Gambianolu, they would believe me, President Barrow Gambianolu nga famfan fo ebelala nale. Wala tina recently albamoela President Barrow wulta kata kama ka fo ko mina smart garden na lola lejam. Ko baba mas ka fa nyame. A smart garden. Gambia mo Gambia dukare ala kata bangalio smart garden nyun aliane ta alalia kinyana. Look. These are the type of these are the kind of language President Barrow may use in Bangkok. Okay, because Gambians would not understand. I'm begging about like you. Bring out fintitan a meeting blood for la qua Begadi no lola jang, me yalonko, animusol gibondro, abe sonia lebule, yes. Near Gardino lo puri gibondro sonia animusol bull. We can tell that those are all possibility leti. All beka kenole. Momorandi yalonko, ye plumbri long, momorandi yalonko. Ibe ko system woni ngono you understand what is going on. Ikalo ne ko men nyanta kala ni men manyana kala. You know? Ikalo ne. Yes, Gardinol be yemen yalonko ike gibonne. Bara amanke komenko ika wifi le na fe na njay ne ay na internet ol nat na njay Gardinol gibon. It doesn't work like that, Mr. President. And Gambia, it doesn't work like that. But our president ako, Gambians would believe me. But I know that ako, in 21st century ni menkono teng. Gambian ol nyaye letale. Ikanu itete mo nene nol. Imale bira fotro wuro kumata Gambia banko kang. Mol be akata mo be nene majoti. Ali wali won tay. Iko president mo bomo fay. Iko president mo buro singo kati. Burundi mo singo kati. Wolel fota Gambia banko kang. And tubabudu president kotawol fawol be jele kay ko we had that the president of the Republic of the Gambia ikaye Burundi wala singo kati. And the president kotawol ba fokang. And then they are la ikajelenna kafu ko dunul kanyumalo itolbe mu system sifalo kono still when salde wake up from their slumbers Gambia mol ko le ko mutuma la Gambia wulle la sino kono mutuma le be iba realize la ko this is the right thing to do. Yes, nina fokan dunia tonko nano bela ko Gambia no be sino la almamo ila president ko kadiya menna na diya buta drom bol katra koma ina bulol moy rawa ni o je ndeki jo fa hol kam fara ko je moy ayni membe fo ko la moy bulo ko si nki jo kam fara fo yelo ka sunkanna je what is really going on my country molo tali nyata kale ko ali ñom falote kering ali ñom be ngote kering ali ñom dafa ngote kering ali bulo ko sa ha to nyalamu ndol ñom be ngote kering hello nki jo fa hol kam fara fo yelo ka sunkan. What is going on, my brothers and sisters? Monata al tulo fadi bom. Alial tulo fana di al kai ko nindo fana konkong. Ye fengo fana nim fodro. Yes sir. Mbe koma bi mbe koma soba. Fania fo mbe fa sala je. Mo fa mbe fa sala je. Kodo sunya mbe fa sala je. Whom are you fooling, my brothers and sisters? Alikajumale nene. Alikajumale nene. Ite fango. Ibe fango le nene kang. Idingo me yalon ko dingo la ma hibo le nene kang. O dingo nyim fanana dingo me mina ulule bo le nene kang. Imamaringo, imumuringo. Itulu muto kata fu jamba mutolu. Ite bol bele nene kang. Ibe siri noto, ibe bulo kosi la fani afo lai. Ibe afasa kang, ibe ajambandi kang. President jamme akenunne. Kalo kafo mandinko tajuo sila ni sira wakang kotenke Gambia banko kang. That was his exactly word. Aya for money bulo kosa Gambia banko kang. Hello, what is happening with us? Molo tayo kuma haramu ngofo. Everybody there, mobile nyante kodi ya condemn. To condemn that word immediately would line found ye. But no. Nobody will do this. But in Simenke no drawolemu na jambandi nga buloko sae. So, oyo mandin kolu ne mandin kolu wulta ye nafi kolu maka wolu moy. Iko mandinkolu sign they are now tribalists or mandinkol ninkar yolle be nyola otumo ye mandinkol lel neng yebe mandinkol nenna dula mento fanam bo dula to je mol bebe lori ke bulo kosi because e mandinkol ne ka jele foke singol tu. I don't want to talk about this, but these are the right facts. Gambia, let us stop. Kani mol men yalon ko ben dun nanyoto ke fasa mol kane ka fani afanyen ka bloko siye. Hello, let us stop doing that. Alinga wo bula ni wonte mansa o mansa murtanam billahi wallahi taala. Momoro ni nata nyaton ko nata yala munek fala. Gambians never change. Ha! It is easy to manipulate them because of munekata. Itol kata mem mirakan Gambia no wala mu bi ila baluo bi be men kono ikata wala mirala, and this is the fact. Gambia no be men kono the majority amanka beti de alsala ka boy ninya kuma mandia kuma fo mandia kuma londi mandia ni kuma fana na watlem ha bari majority be men kono mbe lunga men fo ngom ba ko mo lungu ko la mira mbukam mira so makanale mamaringolu mumuringolu ntulu mutolu kata jamba mutolu wala future nyanta kala nyaadi le nyanta munade dalo woliye nyanta muna senyandi lo woliye nyanta keno jumale to lo woliye nyanta muna develop lo woliye. So these are things me yalonko ntolu Gambia no you don't think of it ntolu kamira munala so man ka mbari ni wala muso nyine de so mala kulli la mala futu sito mani boto banta janne de so mano nyanta sannale de. So president ol kanani ne long ka Gambia nolu they only think of futu sito kulli baka tangolu, ya understand, heu baka tangolu, yes, ikolel mira mano le banta, he tulo bantale, ya understand, wol dealer. These are their problems. Niani soto drong, ila baluwa bebe tiatal. Alisa la kabo ndi nyembadi ngolu. But these are something fact. And then, nimba sawo man sanata be siring ao suti atul balako. Alla problème man wolati, alla problème tulolati, alla problème munati. Wala muko alman gi kendo soto, alman kuran kendo soto. Now, ika logic jumala use, my brother sambe geta la nga breakdown, nya yengani kumo nyi natina. Ika logic jumala use, okay. Kankare kunda, example, my own village, badibu sali kenye, mbota damendo. Okay, namwe, okay, ninkabi la karinde, mo sabafa mo nani, wolbeje, wole president baro, imala fan solent. Ngalan je, ngawera mo killing na mo si continue over many along kwe kafasa. Ngelo nefa, we know them personally. Many along kwe kafasa. Many along ko fanan. Wolu namunan taragambia, wol birum kunu namu ko. I bulote bola lidum boy yunkono. Jamela wato le ya pasar le. So sa en president be siring, iba pasar le fanan. So this is it. So ngol fanan lonne, nge identify le, du nge kumand le nidia mota because of badi ngol le muti. Ka foyko ya dika sifabula. And then mandinko angalewol ko 99 days for the thief, 1 day for the master. Isunyaro isi miaka nyawnyarandi lungo doli ke mutala de. Ha, don't think that ko. Ibe tarra balu kanne watol mumela bela. Ya understand balu nyala me yalon ko. Ite tarra mul tarol domola. Ala e bulo wanyama is not possible. Ya understand. Falin drobe kela. Do ningo falin drobe kela. It will be for good. So where are you going to be? Because mol beta sutel mo bal na mo sifaji malmu. Isi nengo diandi nyaw nyarandi ko politiciano lo muti. O wato farambe bandale ka fako nendia politiciano indemol be diala hani o wato farambe banna gambe banko kan. Woto me example o di gandamen. So ni ko kankar ni ngo kankar badi musali kenye wol lel mu MPP koluti wala be baro fasa ka president baro fasa ka ngala kuolla. Okay. The incumbent be alone ko Gambia la kodo be katarolo bul, of course. Niko kodo be president bul. Kodo ba bulle, yes. Mo million fula birin de nanol e be la kodo ba bul. Business o men bebe ke kan Gambia banko ke bebe la namo ja kodo bebe gil man sakunda yine bul. Mba jo kam fana. Ake anala suto nyaaja nkajo. Ala samoto be samoto nka sangay. Ataka mun spend nothing. $150,000 depanso ala la lungolu. So you see, kodo ba bulle, ntolel fongo kodo diala. We make him richer than us. Annana mo eleba. President ka rikatandi, businessman o la banko kan. Abukake. Ni na dulali jibe. Bankol men developed. Bankol men yalon ko definitely democracy kendol bejele. President lo muneti. They only gain their salary. Ha! Barin tolla Gambia banko kang. The worst thing is businessman wol man la fika kuriyabula. Iko nyeba banko le mun nyewol men warta wol ko do mandingol kunu. President Barrow ila envelope ko nyim fele itata mfana ngantata. Anyanta kelani silo men nata kelo silo la kotenke. Anyanta talani silo menna atatikelo silo lo kotenke mbatu ngata president la office bar janni president ngela tambala musola office follow ni frala musola office to drong ko nyimbe soni ale bol because e sula de contrat ni menna e debel oil business la bank wala be fendol export la nambang futani muso yin office ni muso venge muso ni ngoy telephone on siga drong everything is set bar muso yin janni be futalama you make sure that ko ye afanana envelope ko indiala fananta ni boto je wala la muso fula nyama fanana envelope ko indiala ni bota ye dron jani daga fra president wala office ko dron wala president ni command ya fa ko akari kanal na yo yel foka pare. So this is exactly what is going on. Envelope sabale kadi funa neta rich lete eta ko do sotla because of ntolla businessman olu namol men ya lonko wala nyanta ka Gambia safe kaje ko to nyaelo Bari no, Mr. President kana worry, mbe kidol nat la nanne bari, we will need ngaje ko kontra nyi yasal. Abubakar Jawara kontra tata nyadil. Nin drog kontral bebe keka nyadil. O mafia lel beje, President Barrow, ila envelo ko nyinta. Ani da mantara na kafo kono de, na drog wafo nyin kono de. So these are the facts. Ani da mantara bari, ifarana siafele, ata, ila banko kaneza yukuka na bondije. Ya understand me? So IGP, mobe yata, nko corruption ad yirsum male mavelorin President Barrow fa nyatilo ngani mfole more than 157 times. Avelorin President Barrow la ofiso nyatili ngolla. Ate kabulo nyin kati le be la bulo nyin kati. So muna beje. So ako kodi kilwa yine muta use aninna taraka solu do ba la kodo President Barrow ko le use. Ako wole sika aita e futa o individual ol men yalon ko lel bay sata ol la tonkongol to. Na di la ko masimma fele moto fele whatsoever it is because of provinces life konko beje. Ma no buka soto because President Barrow yalon ne ko. Ma no wala mun na problemoti. Oto samanyi nte barakala. Bar jumanyo lat na samanyi nte barakala. Man sakunda nyanta menun la sama kuna ta dun laje. Wala mu businessman ol men yalon ko yela embulo ko fanan di President Barrow le kay ko tata. Bar ni la samanyi nin samanyi barakata fa mano ka Senejang anyanta Senela nyameng ntol tenna manol export like kotenke Gambia banko kan. Alman understand ba mun be caring. Ndol te manol export lanka Gambianol mbe tilimbali yala kela nyamen te tilimbali yala kotenke no because ni mano tata fusai a senoni barakata Gambia banko kan Gambia fonka mano produce a faye den ndol la business on ka millionol men soto anin ka millionol men dita President Barrow lol bebe tinyalo bebe kuntula la ko be fisa wolti that I want to be rich lefta mansonol le lola I manson gel le lo just 4 years, I mentioned Jellelo. Nitata Senegal, Dakar. Mentiono l'elbe President Barrow Bourguier. Yes! So say, na Gambia Banko ka mention Jellebabli, we cannot count it. But isina Fania Fola Almoy. President Barrow owning $15 million. Bilabesila. President Yala all about account out. Momi yalo ko you have $15 million in. Ibe sila President Yala $15 million in. All about account out. But o $15 million on betel account out. Ite fango ila campaign yo. Je ekfota kodola foka molu kumandi Europe ka foy ko. Ali makoy. People like Karim Touré nte ma for President Barrow fa ko makon la mood. So bari $15 million belari yala account me yala ngala kodi koyole muser. Hello. Who is fooling who? Jumale nyama ta jang. Nte sere nyama made. Nimme lefte nyama barinte nyama ma. We all know what is going on. Mbe alona muneketa. We are not a fool. Among felsoto. Ferem ferem in the tabulu. It's just a mere businessman. Chep la. E kap me. Francel kap me. Chep. Ita si mbaroto. Dol fana be siringe. Dol fana nila bukundingol. Kena nyini laal mina ni kirib karabol communication ol teninteng nan na ko da fa ye nga karfe ma ten na loi sol kolekinye. You see if I la busun nango soto rabarabala in another word or in another language rabarabala, you know. So ala jibe think of it. President Barrow formal loi nya ko ngamoto sanne $700,000. $700,000 nga moto sangolla me yalongo politician munam bulala no wato la kirib garba kak gar walle loloke barakaya sambot at the end of the day anata ni molako ni moto nyinde hanide masande nga kene rabarabo woni menke keno dole be ni mutabulu so ni mari ni moto bo bulu so ngol exchange. You understand me? I moto indina na keno indiala. So you see. So my brothers, are we not going to be smart here? Are we not going to listen from Bukalamwe President Barola Birim Kunumbang? I mean betan bindi. Amutako people are fools. Molbuke lamwe. Dung I feel for an info. Ha tebafolo dung aita. You know, it will not remain there. Hey, you are Mr. President. mbejan nembe batun kan. Trust me. Mbejan nembe batun kan. And honestly, and we are ready for you, and we are coming for you, Mr. President Adam Barrow. Fania kanyantal. Spanisol ko jabasta. No more mentiras. No more mentiras. Ya no podemos aguantar más. Mr. President. No podemos. No podemos, de verdad, no podemos. To my brothers and sisters. Alingan na banko ta nimbulu. Alingan na banko ta President Adama Barrow bulu. And then, ajarta nyakuwa mumela bellage. Because follow, nimman na banko ta President Adama Barrow befola na banko la sovereignty la. Befola na banko la, banko me yalon kontrol bata kunjulo be sar mingel. Banko me yalon ko, we call it our home, our own. Befola la, billahi wallahi tallahi. And this is not a joke. Yes, Aissatou Jaiteh. The businessmen, these are the guys many are going to banko destroy, but people are not seeing it. This is simple logic. Molbukaje. Ajibe. Mahani boto mujellet. Example, because Saddam Mano, $1,850. Koditielu, walele ko sanno. Men yalon ko say ol fanay ye Gambia la naflo lel bi minister lembay ni dingolu permanent secretary lemban director lembang ol fanam bebe balu kan Gambia la naflo la ko dukut le ka dakati bondi ye pori o Saddam Manol say wol lel ko ol domo goto fajara Senegambias o aerial la ini la mansonol be sirinji wol ko manol domo farol bu ko manol jede faro me yalon ko ite ka $5,000 ko lo soto o bu ka sala mano domo Gambe banko kam sako men yalon ko less than $5,000 equals to $2,000 wol be sada mano domo no la nyaade it's not possible. So businessman will fana in long because the president is sleeping president o yimbe sinol la be menkela do wala ngalin kala la envelope ko yin diala dorom. Wala tinna he come with this false promise ka fam musole ko mina smart garden lo la le jang nal balla alla sinkira la siman tabola ni nyina mela garden no jibong ya understand ne e be la mo baylo tara dro ya krab dron e la garden no nyi jibong. Those are the type of businessmen many your idea or logic ning ya natine ya President Adam Barrow because he ko mugule mate ninga ni mfa tra be lalale and he is going there about the campaign rangoti jumanyo lemu the so-called ala Gambianol men by Europe men yalonko i man fen long al salaka boy ndingi i me bulbani marabondi nyoto go niko man fen long maybe o kono fanu tabag bari me bulbani marabondi nyoto ku jamalla wollel tata nin kusi fanyinta ni logi si fanyinta and then ye access diala pour ka tandala ko mbe smart garden ne musol bel mobile tala ya character ni be la sinkir dala ya understand ne o garden no insi gibon no ya understand wita musol fango ita garden no musol fango ita ga wita wati eta yewuli so ko neta la garden no la garden no nye gibon mol ya mura ko okay nene majo la barata ko hanide mbaka fulale because mbe political watol mbaka fulale nga fo ko mbo ko nyimba connect la mobile ni ko karab dron ila garden no nye gibon. It doesn't work like that. So businessman kilingolu wolel fanambe nin kusi faldundi kananje alota kiyankol nyatole me yalo me mfango ente fang what baffles me is president mume men kalo ala jama mol nyato ika kuma soto balof iko ako kiyankol yeko mina natural park mbolo la le in 3 months hey natural park silono bara afo ko mbole kwoto and we all knows that ko abo follow about men ko 2021 mbolo kono campaign iyanyi sita mina mini stadium lola lejam mina mini stadium lola lejam so ni mini stadium ni ako karisaba konto nyi ndron mba pare la bal. So you see in 3 months so but amanda ngoto kotenke ako ngani membe foiten ako man saf ngani mfani ya membe foten aman saf sa men kila dro wala mako mbatu nga ad ako kiyankolu dum o nyankomol men yalla go lebetaro natural park nyin kono wo elfanol men yalla go lebetaro natural park nyin kono nde Adama Barrow nde fam bita fa airport do ngate receive nam hello ha ako ningo fodron so wala tinna I jump to that conclusion ko kiyankolu look Allah la tole ya nyaw nyaranding ningo alfangal no ko ise insult cause la misala musanya man la ko nyeko bar billahi wala nin flatulun tamulla ha nan ka wadi fabu sanala kan ko tonya president Barrow man horoma soto al sala ka boy ni bari anide fabu amam malula aman silela kalo kiyankol nyato kanum kuma basi fani mbon ka fa mfangol bita airport to nata nyanko mol ning so call fankol kamana al tulo fadi al baadi ngol tulo fadi ay mo be tulo fadi ani wal be lore ngano mali yebulo ko say ka fay yesa yembe ngeta wol betar fania fo de problem te yendol be support la kan shame on you all Cameron tesa atol ko mandi Gambia din kendol la ba no Gambia din kendol be jele momaro dial ko Gambia din kendol mara din kendo wala munde wen kallo ala banko e ka fania nyinta ka kanatay ka setana sunundi wala mu Gambia din kendol. You people are shameless indeed. Yeah. Mo be fani afula ga bloko sa ba fa salo kan. Ha tulula. Atol kam men fa do wala go. Tulu president Barrow because ali yalon exactly kam men fo kan da fani al fo kan. But ali yabula ba fo gal ba fa sa ka wala mu. Ikan men keton tulula do tulu jata wala tulu fate wala tulu sonda wala tulu hakilola tulu la ko bela kon ko tol lel muti. A poor man has no choice. This is exactly what is going on, my brothers and sisters. So men kela do no. Namun nana fenko nyito lafita na agindi ngo nati nam domandi so nana kachanyim kumfa cause wato felatata and then it is almost 2 p.m. here and after room for 1 hour nato dronela bukanin kachana nan kana pati leader congratulate ka ajinde nyim fananta munati na president Barrow nyanta gila député dol nyanta gila sefo dol nyanta gila ani moko munane nyanta gila ha ala baraka alnin ayta nyola aha ay gide Musa Sedi Habaraka, well said, bro. Adam Barrow and the service businessman in Gambia, Senegal. And thank you. Bita Habaraka Baka Musa. Mayama Baraka. Agindi. Ay! Yes, of course, Mr. Pa Kamara. He can only be the president in the Gambia. It is indeed sad. Yeah. Agindi. Musa. Aigi. Al programma inizia, my brothers and sisters. Sia di programma, alright? Aigi. Alima, Aigi Kodi. Aigi o Aigi. Aigi. Ya antila dinne wolo sa wol be afenke le lo ka Aigi dron, lo ka Aigi. Ko paro Aigi. albe ñaani la UDP kolu mbalbe konton atul men bebe laynoto viewers solu lamur lalo kal tentu kali jay sekseri bambale mun sibitu dum batili bulola mbadi ngol kamrun nandron ka kacanda politiko la nin ka nyo entertain ka musical natinan a jindi bindi ngol bita kam me yalon ko wolle fangomu o boyti anin gambem chai ha a jindi wala mu toñaji dum be nyande kambe nandela a jindi nim president mando ko ke a jindi mbadi won dibte o mando ko ka jindi da Fatoumata Jawara ñol ñanti jindi lala bi ko si tolol ben ko do non receive kan bari mantra do kula gambe banko kan president Adam Barrow wala folo ñanta jila o ta ay ji ha kawa ku yata ay ji Yes, of course, Musa. It's the slum of the day. Aigi. Agindi. Wala mude Amadou Traoré abaraka bake bal tentula bal jayla. And then Memenkela, before we close, Memenkela drum. Ben Batum Nanda DJ Finji Ngava Finji Fanan Pilenye Doman Bang. What's the name of you? ST aning Baba Mala Femkoni. Ufanan diata nyebakele because they are very similar. Mako yebang DJ Mako bang yo fanan chun yebang. Yo memang folale drum. Mr. Tarawala Ala Baraka, and then we have African Habsman IG. Exactly, this is the slogan today. IG. Musa la baraka bake mbal be tentu la mbali jayla albe minto le UDP kolu programme man dia platform man humba du nyanta mengala do watu mela belen na ngatra bambandi nga humba because nyanta president Barrow jindi lale aigi agindi wala mukuma kamoti be. It has been a slogan in 2016 and it became a slogan in 2021 iko bulo me jato city o bulkini wala ka fring du latale wala mu toñati aigi wala president Barrow ni sindi aigi o kukini woni le president Barrow ni fanan jindila. This is very fair. Oto mbadi ngambianol aigi agindi, this is the word today, is the slogan today. Anyenta tara gambia dingo belda alinga na dindingol tabam karamuto dindingol lembang Nyatan dila aigi anyenta kela nyame. Let's go with Baba Mal. Aning Brikama Boyo.
When they all hate, I love my people. When the rain starts, some umbrella for my people. Dilikando kono kei roti for your people. Stay loyal to your people. My people are you people. Don't lie to the people. Speak the truth to your people. Ni pareta ka lead. Wata pareka far for these people. Working on these people. Bank to bank conference.
Wala baraka. Gambia for
people. What happened to these people? Ain't there funds to these people? Organizational ka collect on behalf of people can laugh. Days for my people. So take for my people. The system ain't there for my people. Political people. NGO people, people for the interest of the people, rich people, stop using people, I only pop feeding off too much violence for my people, Doku TJ for my people, instead of Doku create or they build more jails for my people, it ain't fair to the people, Option TJ for my people, when it's said and done, survival of the fittest for my people.
My people, black people, my people, African people, my people, black people, my people, African people.
Hungry people.
Yes, man.
Freedom for local people, Subukul people. Mukabala far for Fuari people. Nundolman la Jamala, just don't matter with our people. Connection slow, but internet will be sharing for my people. Who cares for the people? He the skins of my people. Muskonoma the fucking Lego to the light. They're not people, you people. Upon you, who are these people? I'm tired of voting in bad games.
Aigi. Abaraka Musa Sisi kana mandi mori. Aigi de. Ha. Aigi, but the slogan and the language is Aigi. And then, na fotoronka IG. Alright? IG. President Barrow must come down And then in December, IG. This is the slogan.
We can make a change. We are looking for change, not pocket
Not
change.
pocket change, man, my brothers and sisters. Nina mutonyati, my brothers.
I see my people for
Oh my God.
people. Now I look around.
Yeah.
I see my people against my people.
My people. My people. African people. My people. Black people. My people. African people. Yeah. Ondimbara. Badi ngolu. Nina mutonyati fambe bukamo iba. Ako we need change. We need change, but not the pocket change, my brothers. That means we need really change. But ni diamuta hakili mali ka understand ba hakili ntangolu ni kole ko falingo di nadrong e ke bulo bule la jufolo kono wala mu juma nyolti. Mbadi ngol nit nyamatol be siari nede. Bari nga men je kutu funtol do be silolo ke be tamakan moli amira ko don ne nyamata bar hanidi nyamatol be siari na society konol de. Ani metol fo. Baratol fangoli yelonne. Goyite faya lonko. Hada badi ngol jamalu men ya lonko la toro ben ne kono. Ningani kodo nyinta hada badi jamalu torala. Ite yo kodo nyite nyo nyamatle be kerimbang, my brothers and sisters. Ite nyo nyamatle be kerimba wala nan kale ko be nyamatul jelele ko sol dum. Ye briefcase sol muta. Iko ale ko ngata office do ko la bari nyo nyamate keri. Ko nyamato ro ne baaje la ko. Mo wuli mo keme kemol mo wuli wulolu. Ila nafa menyanta o batandila ite na ko do yinsika yabule laji fo yin kono isaji ko nimmol nate kandron iko ko pocket change ka dila. No, the picture is we need real change. O real change be kala min tole aliyale bulolu ngarap aliyale bulolu muta memman kalta what doesn't belongs to you aliye fatala Gambia banko kan. And let's work hard. No corruption no bang. Isajeko. The innocent children. Many alonke kela konkola because of you people. The innocent people. Many alonko ikela konkola because of you and the greediness. And Allah sunyaro. Isajol fanansida ha. Muntu malemu o innocent dindingolu e fana mesile ko bi alhamdulillah we had nga cup of milk sotole for a breakfast. When I'm going to bed bi alhamdulillah nga milk sotole nga nimmen katalla. When shall we even think of it, Gambia? Men buka sotok bakil da samod yamar ol tam miral fam batum yami yetela, which is healthy for them. But because of atolu sumolu, atolu nyama atolu in another language, aleta sise sumol ta aliye bute alila fle fala ba sumol aliye bute alila fle fala Gambia banko kan. Television sumol mobile sumol aliye bute fale la fle fala banko kan. Ber meni ya lonko. Yalla banko fango sunya ngalu koto ali nyabe tilindila ali yolo bula yalla koy ko ha problem taye. Let's wake up, my brothers and sisters. Let's wake up. Membe keri wala muko IG. That's the slogan today. Jumale nyanta jila President Adama Barrow. Jumale nyanta jila anala kules dipite wolu. Jumale nyanta jila sefol men manka anyama. Jumale nyanta jila polisol men yalon ko bulobe kuriyalo kon momor ndi yalon ko kuriyat ayji ha ngo ani kordati kurumo ayji ila sunkuto na me kanu agindi ha ni ma kanu aygindi. So this is the slogan today, ayji ha mbadi wala mon kole ayji. So mbeben kadoro mbal tentu lambale jayla. And then for this wonderful time I have with you people, and let's Ntol Gambia dingol, let us know that it is our duties. Each and every one of us, it is our duties, to save our motherland. It is our duties to save those innocent children over there. It is our duties to say no to all sorts of evil things. But mandinko lukamemfu, molbe dinko sinna, dolba sarinda. Ha! Gambians are fools. Yes, they are fools. Jimala kofo, Adama Barrow. Gambian no follow lelti. Follow lel muti, Jimala kofo, Adama Barrow. Mbitale nga futema, 2016. Campaign kola. Yang kumandile. Because President Adama Barrow, these are the promises you made for us. Yen promise lel kamoli in 2016. And then, Natake remind Walla. What was the response? Exactly from President Barrow's mouth. Afango da. Ako ha ya long politics. Ako politico menti wala muko is a game. Isula na karte kesola watu menna. Ika molu flow di andi kumolo foye. Ika molu nya balundi kuole foye. Ebe fenne tandilela, ebe men like le nyala, ebe fenne fole, membe diale tuloe, wole munti. Big promises, me yalonko, you cannot even fulfill it. So that they can vote for you. Ebe promise that these are the words from President Barrow's mouth. Niye promise, kumabala. At the end of the day, batandila go no political lemu. Politics is just a game. Atinna moli nyadum politicola, moli nyadum politicianola. Nobody believe politicians anymore because of people like Barrow and dunia famola politician jawol. But yentolje nyame kan sambole nyama. Wala nanko let's change our attitude and let's change for real, my brothers and sisters. Or we remain as this. Coming Olidiba once ananam nefonye ako 2021 is due. We change the narrative or we stay as business as usual. So this is it. We must have to change the narrative. Jumalem narrative ni diwalem President Adama Barrow membe siri. Na fali kuma kamonyin. Let's change it. Na another chapter ta. Allah baraka bake. Love you all and bebe ngeladron. Ning agindiata for the end of the show. Love you all. And then Bafla la baraka for the comments. And then I really have a nice time with you guys. I believe that you do. Okay. Okay, okay. IG, Agindi. So this is going to be the end of the show. So we go with the IG, Agindi. Thank you.
Ila dipite na mandoko kajindi, anigo fono na mandoko kajindi. Tubabu karande ufina rodorong, kuninu yangal, tamalan mo na ete. Sa deso lunali ya fue sakembo, yokolo nali mantong komuta sume kabala, apa o nali mantong komuta sume tila. Usinga e ujang sambanjai barabat, sa teke lo mambete sambanjai barabat.
Yes, MK Mane. Yeah, MK Mane. Yeah, thank you so very much. Yafunyame, this should be the slogan for each and every Gambian today. I don't know that to be. Ya understand? Agindi. Yes. Agindi jumana nyanta gila. We all know. Memang dogo ke ye gindi. 316 agindi. Anyhow, I don't even know what's the meaning of this 316. Mama, what is the meaning of 316? Aissatou Kambi, thank you so very much and thanks for watching. See you for Kaba Kamara, Konyadile and yes, my brother, they must smile. Mr. Kamara, you can say that again. Balu Kolari Nyamin, and then every day, Ika Gambian will jele, the situation of Menkono. But, and then you see them smiling. Yes, because of Munekela, they must smile. And Munekela, Nikobe, Ufuare Ani, Bade Tala, Atewatila, Ufuare Miro Tala. You understand hardship, everything. So the only thing is they must smile. Yeah. They must smile. You see, more benna from a global conco bala. Yeah, those things happen. Yeah, Nika, I hope you are fine because it happened to me. I want to kill it, I want to pull it. No more definitely everything is not well with him. I hope everything's okay. Koriman Sasa. No, I'm finding I get it. So all those things happen in the Gambia. Because of dignity. Definitely Gambians are very strong. But on the Menkiladrom, love you all. The end of the journey. Thank you so very much. Allah Baraka. Love you all. Alamanna Alfa Almelanyato. Assalamu alaikum. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sek Serigne Bamba Keita lemu Serigne ko musoluko UDP dron sosolaso mendabe je mendate je kabe bunchew men nyanta gila ibeji president wol lembang député wol lembang abe alikalol ibeji men nyanta gila beji ni man doko eji ala baraka.